Oh.
Hi, sub.
Oh.
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 Oh. That's hot.
I won my first Fortnite game.
Oh my god!
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What was that?
I won my first Fortnite game.
I keep
Oh, they're
sucking too
coming
much
again.
dick.
Same bitch. I'm about to.
No,
fuck
I'm
you,
coming.
Guys, we need a little bit more.
A little bit more pussy.
Tick
Tick, tick,
tock,
tick.
sucking my cock.
Guys, do you just love it when
You eat ass.
chicks?
No.
I'm
And eat ass.
glad you said no for that question. So. Who's partying?
You. I want Sub's milk.
I want
Wait,
Ash's
heads up,
cream.
Yeah, he is.
I want Asher's whipped cream.
Ash, how thick is your whipped cream? Wait, Slippy, sub. If we live in the future, then
Huh?
why didn't we warn?
Oh yeah, about 9/11?
Yeah.
Yeah, why didn't we warn you guys?
Because
Yeah.
we just don't care.
No, I
Facts.
can.
So,
I could. You never know that.
yeah, but if you die, I'm gonna. No.
What? Wait, what did you say? Wait, MC.
You try your best,
best,
but you
but you
don't.
don't.
Yo, come to blow.
Subweed
There's
is
a
like
great-
Subway, but with weed. Go,
Guys,
Why
we
did
just
I
gotta
put some
wait.
apples?
Gotta wait it out, guys.
Oh, cause they're golden apples.
Hang on a second.
Are you dumb?
Yes, I've been wondering for years.
You know the I'm a head out meme?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So someone did it for school, and he signed it himself, handed it to the teacher, and left.